Colin, Jacob, and Emlyn with me. We're going to go down and check on the minnow trap and see what we got. And we're going to move it over to another creek. We're going to see if we can catch us some crawdads. And we're going to take y'all along with us. Colin, what do you think is in that trap out there?
Minnows and newts.
How many minnows?
Well, not minnows, like more newts.
Newts? How many newts you think?
5 or 6, maybe 8.
5 to 8. Jacob, what do you think's in that trap out there?
Crawdads?
Crawdads? How many? You don't know. Emmy, what do you think's in that trap?
I guess there's fish, and I guess there's a big turtle.
A big turtle? How many fish you think are in there?
16.
16?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and pull her up. I think there's going to be 5 lizards and 1 minnow. Maybe even a frog. What if we got a frog in there?
I will be happy.
All right, let's see what we got.
What is in there?
Oh,
One salmon.
we got some.
I love
We got some newts in there.
I love newts.
Man, I have to close it.
Yeah, hold on a second. Let's
I know I love newts. I want tadpole.
here, hold on a second. And we got a tadpole. Check that out, guys.
I love newts, Daddy. You know that?
Yeah. All right, here's what we're gonna do.
You push this.
Hey, Dad,
Yep,
I
just
was
hold-
the closest of the
Hold on, we gotta get him out here. Hey, Jacob, bring me out there a
I
bucket.
said 5, and it was 4.
No, Daddy, don't let them out.
It's not filling up the water.
I like you guys. And
Here,
I
hold
could
on.
be crazy. They're like crazy. I like when they're pretty nice.
All right, hold on.
I get the stuff I really like.
Yep. So look,
I got
here's-
the lizard.
whoo,
I get the newts. All the newts.
there's one.
There's 2. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, they're very crazy.
Oh.
I said they.
There's
don't-
one.
Here's 1. These 2. So crazy. Get back.
He said I don't like being on film.
No.
Whoop.
Oh, we are dropping them.
Don't drop them.
What do you think about that?
Tadpole. Let me drop.
All right, no, don't put them back in there. Put them in the water. We're gonna go ahead and release them now, okay?
What?
So we ended up catching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We caught 7 newts and 1 tadpole. And Colin guessed between 5 and 8. So Colin, I believe you were the closest. But nobody guessed the tadpole.
No.
All right, hey, let's go wash these guys off so we can go to get to our next spot before this rain comes.
Where we can put them?
We're gonna put them over here in the water.
No, don't put them in here.
All right, come on. All right, here, let me see this one here.
I want to catch. I want the net.
Oh, here's one right here.
Let me get it. Oh, let me get it. So.
Put it back in the water.
Oh, here's another one.
Yeah, look at this.
Hold on, Jake.
Let me put her on the front.
Here.
Huh.
Don't put him.
I put them really softly in the water. Can we catch some stuff? Let's see who can win. Sitting there.
We're gonna go ahead and close this here and little minnow trap up. We're gonna head to our next spot now, rebait it, and set it up in the creek now. And then once we get done setting it up in the creek, we're gonna go for a walk and show you a little bit of the property. Okay. Hey guys, we're gonna let Emily and Jacob bait the trap. We're using this cat food here. It stays really good in the water, and it'll last for overnight. And in really cold water, it doesn't like break down and just wash away. So that's one of the big reasons why we use that. Jacob, go ahead and put a little bit more in there. And we have a spot down here in the creek that we're going to use. For this here, we're going to mostly catch crayfish and minnows in this one here. So unlike the newts and stuff like that, in the pond, we'll sit there and actually catch crayfish and minnows here. So we should have a lot of success with that. Alright, so now that we have that going, Colin,
Can I go walk with them?
you're gonna actually, Em and Jacob, y'all stand out there. Hey Colin, here's the other end of this.
I'm gonna walk the trap down to the a little pool over there and try to toss it then tie it off to a tree.
Hey Colin, why don't you go get on this side right here? Yeah. Now go. Hey Colin, if you go right up there in between those two rocks,
Oh, I see.
yeah, right there, and you should be able to tie off that little bitty sapling right there.
I'm happy to go.
You're doing a good job.
I'm gonna slow because I don't want to get wet.
Yeah, no, we don't want that. All right, just a little bit further, Colin.
Come over here.
There's a what? Yeah. Colin's gonna set it right in front of you. That's good right there, Colin. Yep, just toss it right on the other side. Perfect. Alright. Hey, Em, Jacob, come back down, please.
Okay.
Yep, just tie it off right there. Em. Yep. Good job, Colin. Alright guys, we just now found a turkey track. This is amazing. It's almost as big as my hand. If you can't see it that well, it's right there, and right there. There's one print. And then right here behind it is another. We have some big turkeys here. There's another one right there.
Can I make a turkey call.
Who can make the best turkey call?
Me.
All right, Jacob first. Do a turkey call.
Brian, we go first.
Okay, Emmy, go first.
How do you make that noise?
You go. Cow, 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 cow.
No.
No?
Call it.
No, you can't do it. Jacob, can you do it?
I'm not sure.
Or who can make a gobble?
Daddy go first. Daddy go first.
I already went first. Listen. Cow, 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 cow.
That's not correct.
What is it?
You gotta make like that noise bigger.
Cow, 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 cow. Can you do that?
Colin.
Colin, you do it. Don't be bashful. Do it.
Just show.
Do it once. You can't do it? Nobody can do it? All right.
I could.
Okay, show the boys how to do it.
I know. Good.
All right, Jacob, you do it.
Yeah, that's a.
Nope. All right, the next set of prints we have here, just a few yards away, is what
deer.
is this? Now listen, is this a doe or a buck?
Deer. Doe.
Doe, that's right. And the reason why you know it's a doe,
Because they have 2 fingers.
yeah, but you know what it's missing? It's missing the 2 points right there.
Let's make them.
If that was a buck, there'd be 2 here and there'd be 2 here. So let me ask y'all a question. Who could make a buck call?
Me.
All right, let's go first.
Bat.
All right, your turn.
Bat.
Colin, can you do a buck call?
Bat. I did it.
All right, listen. Now, if you want to stop a buck, you sit there and go, bat, and they go.
Did I do that?
Yeah, do it.
How you do it?
Bat.
Bat.
And they'll lift their head and try to figure out who's talking to them.
And when you make that noise, they know when people are talking to them.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
We just don't know what we're saying to them.
So this is our little tadpole pond. So every year they'll have eggs in here, and it's really fun to watch them hatch. And there's some eggs right there. And when they get bigger and bigger, we'll come up here and check on them. And then it's fun to just watch them get, instead of like that, they'll just get about that sometimes.
Hey, Colin, curious. In the summertime, when you come up here, what do you hear? How loud do those tree frogs get?
Real loud.
Can you hear yourself think?
No.
We'll have to take a video, Colin, when they're all hatched and come up here, and you just get all the noise from how loud they really get. What do you think about that?
That's pretty good.
Well, we're gonna try to finish up the rest of this here hike. We're gonna go up here to the creek and play around there for a little bit. We got a rain coming, and we got about 30 minutes, and it's getting dark. So we're gonna spend a little bit of time, but thank y'all for coming with us.